Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So just taking a quick look at Chainlink then on our daily time frame. As we could see, looking really bullish in this local area and continuing up, making a new swing high in the face of a lot of our large cap cryptos. Actually currently looking more like this, where they've had that big red candle last week, and then over the past week or so they've kind of been trickling to the downside like this. Chainlink's actually come up and made a new swing high, almost heading up and touching that $31.078 Fibonacci extension, looking really bullish on the macro. You can see quite clearly on the charts here we've got our nice bear market range, the break and the retest, followed by the continuation over the past month or so with that favourable crypto election result for the US. We have seen all of our cryptos coming up making new swing highs pretty much in the large cap space, all looking very highly correlated to one another. You can see Chainlink here pretty much putting in those clear higher highs and higher lows now, and cleanly breaking out of this final resistance. You can see the bull market high of the previous bull market, the swing high that we did get stuck under at the 0.618 Fibonacci at around $21. We got that big retrace back down to that swing low of $8.50, and then obviously put in a range just like a lot of cryptos did before getting that lovely push to the upside, breaking out of the range, breaking through all of our Fibonacci levels, the 0.50, the resistance here, and that 618 previous swing high Fibonacci level resistance, breaking through all of them and then heading up to the 0.78, pretty much testing that, although we haven't quite tapped it just yet. Overall, Chainlink looking really bullish, as you would expect for some more continuation. It looks really solid on the charts here and looking really good, to be honest. Obviously we need to be aware of what Bitcoin's doing, because if Bitcoin does have a big retrace, which I think is getting more and more likely, then we'll obviously see Chainlink and all of our large caps getting a pretty significant retrace to the downside. You can see quite clearly on the charts here that we have been grinding to the upside for Bitcoin for some time, and we have got these big bearish divergences coming in now, higher highs on our price action and lower highs on our RSI, signaling that we're starting to lose momentum here, and we are up at that very key Fibonacci level of the 127 Fibonacci for Bitcoin. As you can see from the previous all-time high down to the bear market low, we have reached some of our Fibonacci extensions, and Bitcoin did reach this level in the previous bull market, I believe, before we did see ourselves heading into a bear market. So I'm not saying we're going to head into a bear market just yet. I do think we've got more to give, but overall I do think Bitcoin is due a very decent correction, and it could be as much as, I would say, 20 or maybe even 30% from this bull market high. I do think heading back down towards that 80k-ish level does seem like an area that we could target for Bitcoin over the next month or so if we start to get bearish as we head into this next period of the bull market. We have seen a very bullish move to the upside, and I do think a 50% retrace of this move before the final push to the upside could be definitely on the cards, considering how much we have been seeing Bitcoin just head up with no pullbacks. Obviously Chainlink here has been benefiting from Bitcoin grinding itself to the upside and sideways. You can see Chainlink here has been coming up, making a new swing high, looking really good on the daily. The weekly time frame looking ridiculously bullish, as you can imagine. Cleanly broken out of our final level of resistance here, as we can see, and now looking like that third wave of the bull market that I've been looking for has played out to absolute perfection. We've got our first wave breakout of the range, the second wave retest and consolidation, the third wave push up towards the 0.78 Fibonacci. Probably get one more retrace back down into this $20 area, I would say, before the final push to the upside for a new all-time high. We've already seen 1 and 2 play out. Third wave is looking like it's about to play out and finish up, in my opinion. After this huge impulse that we've seen, we could see a bit more upside for our large caps, but they do look like they are starting to run out of steam and consolidate, which is completely fine, as we have had a very parabolic move over the past month or so. But we will be looking on this channel for a nice little, similar to the previous second wave, where we did see ourselves having a retrace. I'll be looking for this to come up and then start to pull back, slowly grind back to the downside, and then when we do start ranging just like we did previously, looking to get in for that final leg to the upside for this bull market cycle. Right now Chainlink looking very nice, looking like it's playing this out to perfection. The monthly time frame looking absolutely insane for Chainlink as well, as you can see. Lovely massive green bullish candles, huge breakout of this resistance here, and overall Chainlink looking good, I would say, to head to new all-time highs in this cycle. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. Bitrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.